Welcome back with another tricky math equation. So today we have a equation of two operator which is division and addition. So the equation is 8 divided by 2 bracket 2 plus 2. Now if we will solve this equation from the parentheses, we are solving what's inside the parentheses, which is 2 plus 2, which comes to 4. Now equation becomes 8 divided by 2 parentheses of 4. Now 2 and parentheses both have no any operator in between them. It's mean there is an hidden multiplication of 2 and 4. So we will do its multiplication. So equation becomes 8 divided by 2 multiplied by 4. Now we will solve 2 multiplied by 4 first. Multiplication comes first. So 2 multiplied by 4 which comes to 8. Now 8 divided by 8, it's so simple, it is 1. So most of the people will get this answer 1 like that. But let me tell you, this answer is not correct here because this was the left to right trap. This equation was left to right trap, not a PEMDAS trap. So we have to solve from left to right because division and multiplication in modern math both have the same priorities. So this was not a PEMDAS rule. We are applying the left to right rule here. So if we are doing like 2 plus 2, so equation is 2 divided by 2 into 4, which is 2. 8 divided by 2 multiplied by 4. Now if we go from left to right, which is 8 divided by 2. Now we will solve 8 divided by 2 because of left to right, which comes to 4. Now 4 multiplied by 4, which is 16. Now the exact answer is 16, not the 1.